1, 2, 3, ready, go. Three. That was a quick little play along of Can't Help Falling in Love in chord and melody. If you're interested in a lesson, let me know. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll make a lesson for this. I haven't taught chord melody before, so that would be something completely new for the channel. But let me know. Now with chord melody, when you play on the higher frets, it's really important to have a ukulele that sounds good. So many ukuleles do not sound good once you move past the 5th fret. So I've been playing this solid mahogany ukulele from Enya. This is the MS that I will link down below. I have it in a matte blue, but it also comes in a natural wood satin finish. This ukulele also comes with pre-installed strap buttons, so if you have a hard time switching and making jumps on your ukulele, adding a strap is really helpful. So this one already has the strap buttons, so it helps when you're moving to jumping on the ukulele if you're still not comfortable with it, or if you feel like it falls or like it's kind of wobbly, then definitely adding a strap helps. Make sure you grab the free printable for this one, and in the comments below, let me know how you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.